What is up, everyone? My name is Autumn M, and I am here today to give you some tips and updates about what I've been doing during quarantine. Now, what I've been doing during quarantine is new beauty. Yeah, that works out when it does. I love acrylics, but they gotta come off. Anyways, and then I've also been meditating. Really good for mental health. I found therapy, been working on my physical fitness. I've been learning to cook again because it feels great to cook. I've been working on my business, the Queen Sessions. Working on other businesses such as America Hates Us, and just enjoying life. But also I've been growing life. Hey, that's why I've been learning about indoor gardening, because I find it very rewarding when you see your babies start to sprout. Alright, so we're going to talk about why the Neon Pothos today is the perfect companion for your kitchen. Yes, not the bedroom. I know pothos are really great for bedrooms and such, but this baby is good for your bathroom, but most importantly, your kitchen. So a neon pothos requires a little bit more direct light, unlike its brothers and sisters of the golden pothos and the regular pothos and everything like that. Because you see, these neon colored leaves all have to be nicely stemmed from sunlight. It's the chlorophyll in there. Look at us using science words, chlorophyll. So that's why it requires that. And also humidity encourages bigger leaves to form. So humidity is really big in your kitchen. Think about it. All the water that you use from washing dishes, it's all in the air. Everything in that, all the steam from cooking, humidity. And the bright windows that you get, because everyone knows the kitchen is the place with the most sunlight. I don't know why. It's just the way the floor plans work in houses. So here you go. Alright, so this plant surprised me because last week I thought she was gonna die. I was like, oh my god, she's gonna die. Placed her back in the kitchen, allowed her to grow, put a little bit of fertilizer in her, sang a little song to her, because I sing to my plants. I said, grow baby grow. That's what I sing to them. And within the next week, or next day actually, she grew some little homies. And this one is actually new. You growing on me, sis, you're growing. So it's really encouraging to see your plants grow. As you see, I changed up the potting because she was in a smaller pot, so I did something more 2 times her size. And it's important to change the potting so that way they can grow a little bit larger. The way she's growing, I might actually have to change this pot again. And I'm like, these pots were like, they weren't bad, they were $4. And it's perfect to find soil with a little bit of this, with those white rocks, a little bit of moss, a little bit of branches, because that absorbs the water. You gotta make sure to have drainage within your pot so it absorbs the water as well. So that way you're not overwatering your plant. Overwatering your pothos is actually really terrible for them. It's better to underwater anything than it is to overwater them. So make sure to know that. Another thing that you want to do and remember is that these plants are very low maintenance when it comes to watering. So bi-weekly water, but just keep the soil moist. So if you want to get a little spray bottle and those leaves, you're more than welcome to do so. I'm sure they appreciate it. Well, yeah. Just get closer. Hold on, let's get a close up of how beautiful she is. So anything your plant needs, it needs as well. You need sunlight, you need water, and you need a new environment to grow when you feel like your other one isn't doing it for you. And that's what you do. So this is why these are perfect for the kitchen, because you're always gonna get enough little bit of sunlight, enough water, and hello, she'll be perfect. Well, and if you guys are looking for other pothos, I feel like my baby girl right here, she's low maintenance as well. She is growing, but she doesn't require as much sunlight. She can be perfectly placed in the bedroom, and on top of it, she's a little bit more chill. You don't have to water her for up to 3 weeks, everything. So one thing you do want to take note of is if you water them and the soil looks like this, you could tell it's been watered. You know what I mean? If less dirt that sticks to you, that means it's wet. But the more dirt that sticks to you when you put your finger in, that means that baby is dry. So remember, don't overwater it. Always take a look at the brownie. And make sure you change this positioning if you feel like it's not growing to its full potential. Because last week I literally thought this plant was dead. I'm going to show you, put a side-by-side picture. That's all I got for you guys today. So tune in to the next episode of Plant Mommy Diaries. I'm going to talk to you about the money tree, and I can't wait to show you guys my baby. Alright guys, so hit subscribe, hit like, hit whatever, share with your friends who are trying to grow plants, who need a little spice in their life. Don't look at my nails, I told y'all they're bad. But see you guys soon. My name is Autumn M, Plant Mommy.